Bob, what are you going to be keeping an eye on in tonight's game?
Points in the paint. The team that can win the battle down there is going to be the one that comes out on top.
Dishes off to Jordan for three. No good. The tap and go. Grabs it.
We're seeing a rejuvenated team.
They blew right by the defense on that play. That was a slick two-handed jam.
The assist to number 34, Shaquille O'Neal.
Peyton launches a three. O'Neal grabs it. He'll bring it up court. He's got some mad moves.
Mad and
The
sick.
assist to number 10, Daryl Armstrong.
Step up the key, boy. 5 up.
Three-pointer. Another miss.
He should stop thinking and just start reacting to the game.
Stolen.
Seattle nab another steal.
He's not slowing down the tempo of this game.
The assist to Gary Payton.
When T-Mac gets the ball, you can feel the electricity in the air.
These fans know he's a highlight. Wait a minute.
Now that's what I call a power jam.
The assist to number 20, Gary Payton.
McDice fights on the shot fake.
Out of bounds, Seattle ball.
Get back.
He'll bring it up court.
4 up. Come on.
Shoots. It low. Brings the tray. That's a 7-0 run. The Sonics lead by 5.
Out of bounds, Sonics ball.
Peyton will bring it up court. Going for three. Darren comes up empty. With the quick spin move. McGrady pulls the trigger. Nails the Rainmaker.
The assist to
He'll bring it up court.
Daryl Armstrong.
4 up.
From three-point land. Peyton, no good. He's been wrong. Gives it off to Peyton. They're looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Finger roll.
Count it.
The assist to Gary Payton.
To Hill. To his Ernest. To Armstrong. Knocks it away.
Out of bounds, Orlando ball.
Jordan with a finger roll.
The assist to number 10, Daryl Armstrong. 2 minutes to go in the first quarter.
Peyton is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Desmond Mason is a rising star in this league. This young man is a tremendous athlete that can attack from far above the rim.
That's a trouble.
Puts up the jumper. McGrady gets that one.
He delivers on another big pass.
Shaquille O'Neal.
5.
McDice is a powerful force down low.
Don, this guy has a ton of local moves.
Nails the jumper.
For 2. The assist to
With
Antonio
the quick spin
McDice.
move. Hill can't find a hole. Sends it to Peyton.
Jumping it down low seems to be a good idea, Don.
Well, Bob, they feel the other team just can't defend them down there.
Pick left.
He receives the pass on the pick and roll.
O'Neal picks off the pass.
Seattle come up with the block and straight up denied that shot.
From three-point range. First personal foul. It looks like some of the players on the bench think they could do a better job.
Well, if things don't start changing out there, some of them are going to get a chance.
O'Neal makes it. He gets them both.
Solid D. Solid D. 3 up.
Makes the shot. Knocked away.
Good D, fellas.
Out of
That
bounds.
call isn't sitting well with the player, and he's letting the official know it.
So watch him, Don. Being very careful to keep everything in bounds.
Defensive foul.
Armstrong with a defensive foul.
Armstrong. That's the first foul in the final 2 minutes.
With the rainmaker. Pushes it up to McGrady. Slamming it down with a windmill dunk.
The assist to Michael Jordan.
We stop from
GP, here's a guy that no one likes to match up against.
Coming up the right. 4 up. Right side.
That was a bone-jarring screen.
If you're gonna set a pick, you want to make it nice and solid.
He pump fakes. Sends it to McGrady for 3. Nails the J.
The assist to Shaquille O'Neal.
Peyton feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. Mason with a touch shot. McGrady brings it down. At the end of the first quarter, the Magic lead the Sonics 19 to... Their coach can't like what he's seen after 1 quarter.
Don, they should be winning this game right now, and they would be if it weren't for some mental mistakes. These guys have to get themselves sorted out.
Barry misfires. Hill gets the board. Armstrong puts up the J. Peyton is charged with the foul. You'd think they'd have gotten used to this kind of thing.
Don, these guys are all pros. They're going to hold each other to a higher standard.
Sinks it. Peyton wants to try and work it into the post here. Block shot.
Out of bounds. Seattle ball.
Gonna shoot. It's good.
Right now, he's calling his own number.
Yeah, but who's gonna complain?
Not me. This is my kind of game.
I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam. But Brady now has 17 points. Peyton is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they could get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
Up with the shot. Got it. Seattle is behind by 5. To Hill. To the Diesel. He gets his man off his feet. Powers it down with a two-handed
The
jam.
assist to Grant Hill.
He'll bring it up court.
5.
From three-point territory. This team has been able to out-rebound their opponents throughout the game. To Jordan. With the jumper.
The defense has to start making some adjustments to help their chances in this one.
Right.
Stolen.
Orlando kept bumping and grabbing and came up with the ball.
That was a slick two-handed jam. That's a 6-0 run. The Magic are ahead by 11. He'll bring it up court. Armstrong is whistled for the defensive foul.
Seattle Sonics. Number 8, Kenny Anderson. And number 40, Joseph Ortez.
He's looking to make the entry pass.
And if they can get it in there, they have a good chance of scoring.
The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. McGrady is called for the defensive foul.
That's his first personal.
Barry from
Number 3,
downtown.
Grant Barry for 3. The assist to Kenny Anderson.
Jordan from the right of the circle. We're seeing some instant offense, Robert.
They just add a little water and stir it on up.
We've got an isolation. Let's see if another defender comes over to help. Who grabs the offensive board? Hill grabs it. Armstrong's a real energizer for this team, Bob.
He only knows how to play one way, and that's flat out.
He fakes to Hill. He puts up the jumper. Yes. They love the pace of this game.
It's the way they like to play.
The Magic did a great job.
We're seeing some excellent ball pressure on the floor.
Hill is making some big plays for them.
The
The Magic on a 6-0 run.
Grant Hill.
4 up.
He initiates the offense.
Side.
There's the fake. Anderson with the jumper. Seattle is down
2
by
minutes
12.
left in the second quarter.
To Armstrong. To T-Mac. He's doing a nice job.
Into the
I
game.
don't know if they can shut him down.
Number 45. And
Seattle is down early.
And they're down at home. You don't want to let that advantage slip away in the second quarter.
That's in real danger of happening here. Hill with the steal.
That steal is a direct result of the good ball pressure we've been seeing.
Henderson makes the finger roll.
The assist to number 9, Vitaly Potapenko.
To T-Mac with the fake. To MJ. It's stolen. Only one man back for this two-man break. There's the alley-oop.
Straight from the highlight reel.
Flash tries the three. Booth boards it. Anderson will bring it up court. Forte puts up the shot.
Out of bounds. Seattle ball.
Puts up the J. Armstrong picks up the defensive foul.
That's the first foul in the last 2 minutes.
Forte goes to the line, shooting two.
Joseph
Sinks it.
Into the game for the Sonics. Number 34.
It's the second
Antonio
shot.
McDyess.
He gets the ring, baby. Step it up.
McGrady will bring it up court. Takes the shot. Yes.
Tracy McGrady. The assist to number 10, Daryl Armstrong.
He sets it up on the left side. He passed on the shot so that he could set up another player. If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points. Gets it to fall. The shot clock has been turned off.
I guess they'll be holding for that last shot of the quarter.
O'Neal makes the offensive rebound. Going for three. Nails it from downtown.
The assist to number 38, Shaquille O'Neal.
Anderson sets things up. No good. That player needs to get his head back into the game.
I can't figure out why he would crowd the line when there's no press.
After two, Orlando is ahead 40. Bob, their coach looked a little surprised to be down at half.
Well, he knows his guys are capable of playing better than what we've seen so far. He just doesn't understand what's wrong with them.
Armstrong with the defensive foul. He has a team high with 13 points.
That's his
Peyton
fifth
is one of the league's leaders in
Number
free throw
1.
accuracy. Slamming it down with a windmill dunk. He has a game high 27 points.
Michael Jordan.
He sets it up. Peyton, good fake. Nails the rainmaker.
He's a one-man scoring machine.
Barry is whistled for the defensive foul. This player has a textbook release.
And it's gotten him one of the league's best free throw percentages.
Hill makes it. When you see results like that, you know how important the free throw shooting is. He sets it up on the right side. Barry, hook fake. He buries the three.
Barry for three. The assist to Gary Payton.
Dumps it into O'Neal. To Flash for 3 points. No. O'Neal takes the offensive rebound. That's 6 points for the 11-year veteran. Peyton sets it up on the right side. Unloads a three. This game won't be won that way.
They need to make sure they're getting their guys involved where they can make the shot.
He's on a tear with 29 points.
Number 33, Grant Hill.
Puts up the drag. No. O'Neal takes the board. That's 5 points for the former LSU Tiger. That's a 6-0 run. The Sonics could use a lift right now.
All of the energy seems to have been sucked right out of this building.
And you've got to give some of the credit to the other team. McDonough takes the jumper. O'Neal brings it down. Barry is whistled for the foul.
Defensive
You
foul.
really got to admire this player's technique, Darren.
Every shot follows the same exact routine. He's 3 for 3 from the line. Good. He sets up the play. Takes his jumper. No. Jordan grabs the rebound.
They should try kicking the ball out to a jump shooter instead.
Yeah, these guys need to find some way of changing up their offense. McGrady is called for the defensive foul.
To number 1, Tracy McGrady.
He's been dropped. They have to be happy with the number of steals they've been getting. He couldn't connect on the pass.
There was no way the other player could have known that ball was heading his way.
Stolen. They'll add another steal to their total for the game. Hill with a finger roll.
That is some dead-eye shooting.
The Magic on a 10-0 run. He sets up the offense. With the nice shot fake. Misses the three. O'Neal grabs it. Sliding in with a double pump slam. My, that's how you finish. That's a 12-zip run. He threw the defense off the screen, then hit the screener with a nice pass. And there it is. He has 6 points.
Number 9, Vitaly Potapenko. 2 minutes remaining in the third quarter.
With the nice shot fake, Payton grabs it. Seattle wants to push it. Has fouled out.
Into the game for the Magic. Number 1, Baron Davis.
This is the one shot you can't defend against, Don.
The only defense is to make sure he doesn't get on the line in the first place. Powers it down with a two-handed jam. The Magic are up by 15. Payton is trying to run some plays for the big man to get some production in the paint. Hill makes the lay-in.
The defense needs to do a better job in transition if they want to win this game.
Payton is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Shot blocked by Jordan. They want to try and work it into the post here. Into Payton. Back to McDyke. They feel they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try to exploit it. Blocked by MJ. Backcourt violation.
Backcourt violation. Orlando.
Mason fakes the shot and makes the shot.
This is what you call a shooting streak.
Gives it off to O'Neal. To Hill. He puts up the shot. We're seeing the post players trying to establish position.
He's looking for the entrance pass so he can go to work, Don.
He couldn't keep the ball in play.
It looked like he tripped over his own feet that time.
Davis, good fake. To McGrady. Shot blocked by Mason.
Out of bounds. Orlando ball.
They got whistled for a 5-second violation.
Hey, that gives the other team another chance to score.
He sets it up on the right side. To Mason. Passes off to Mason. Steal. They're using up a lot of energy, but they're getting a lot of steal.
You got to consider that a pretty fair trade.
Yeah, definitely. Hill with the steal. The action coming back quickly the other way. Davis makes the finger roll. Payton launches it. He can't find the hole. The end of the third. Orlando is up 65-4. They've got the lead, Bob, but I'm thinking they shouldn't take anything for granted right now.
No way. When you look at some of the scores on the other team's roster, you know they can get the job done.
To T-Mac. Mr. High Riser, he sure threw that one down with authority. T-Mac now has 33 points. Payton will bring it up court. He sets things up. He lets fly. He's really pushing the ball up court. That's what we're looking for.
Check out that elevation.
That's 17 points for the former Duke Blue Devils. Mason wants to try and work it into the post here. Going for three. Bones buried. Brings the shot. That's 19 points for the 8-year veteran. With the J. Jordan with an easy 2. That's 8 points for the former first-round pick. Pulls the trigger.
Out of bounds. Seattle ball. Into the game for the Sonics.
Radmanovic lets it fly.
And number 52, Calvin Booth.
That hesitation left him helpless.
Watching that stuff going on?
Strips the ball.
Call it!
Pass to Pate.
Up! Foul! That's a foul!
For three. Not there. McGrady grabs it. Davis goes up. Sinks it.
The coach is giving him the green light.
And he's lighting up the scoreboard, Bob. The Pate rejects it.
Orlando is using great defensive pressure to come up with the ball.
He threw that one down hard. That gives him 6 points.
Number 1, Richie McGrady.
Berry with the feint. Got it.
They're having a hard time containing him.
His shots keep dropping. Pass to Hill. To Hill. Puts up the tray. Jordan with the offensive board. Lays it in. Davis picks up the defensive foul.
Baron Davis into the game for the Seattle Sonics. Number 8, Kenny Anderson.
Fakes the shot. Batted away by Shaq.
You gotta bring it strong.
Oh, baby, that got everyone out of their seats.
Number 1, Baron Davis.
Radmanovic, good fake.
Defensive
Davis
foul.
picks up the foul. Free throw shooting is one of those things that you don't hear much about.
Until you start missing them.
Foul shot is no good. O'Neal grabs the board. Sends it to Hill. Gives it off to O'Neal. Quick pass to Davis. He pump fakes. To Jordan.
2 minutes left in
From
the fourth
downtown. Misses the tray. Sese picks it out of the air.
Come on, man, that's a foul. No!
Jordan with the steal. Orlando playing the transition game. To Davis. Fake. Slamming it down with a windmill dunk.
Into the game for the Seattle Sonics. Number 24, Desmond Mason. And number 9, Vitaly Potapenko. The assist to number 33, Grant Hill.
Looks at a three. McGrady takes the rebound. That's 5 boards for the 6-year veteran.
Get in the passing lane.
Davis with a finger roll.
Stop here now, come on.
Looks at the three. Booth grabs the offensive board. Here's the 3 ball. O'Neal gets the board. He's now got 10 rebounds. Sends it to Jordan. We're looking at quite a blowout.
Don, I've seen a few of them, and this is right up there.
Yeah, kind of reminds me of that game between Arizona and UCLA back in '76.
Oh, Don, I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, you started that night.
Oh,
To Anderson from 3-point territory. Jordan boards it. That's 5 boards for the former Tar Heel.
Grant Hill, the assistant, number 1, Baron Davis. Into the game for the Sonics. Number 34, Antonio McDyess. And number 51, Brent Berry.
Come on, let's go, fellas.
three. Swatted away by Hill. Davis with the defensive foul.
Start calling it.
Into the game for the Seattle Sonics, number 20, Gary.
Terry goes for the deep one. He's definitely given them another option on offense.
Having a player with that kind of shot goes a long way to getting the win.
McDyess grabs it. Payton sets the offense. Berry grabs the offensive rebound. He wasn't getting away with that one.
I think everybody in the building could tell that was goaltending.
Jordan, good fake. Looks at the three. Davis, no good. Mason brings it down. Payton comes up empty. Tonight's final score, Orlando 85, Seattle 63.